Welcome everyone. Come and see my farm.
Thanks, Uncle Wan. Let's go and see the cows. Look! The cows are over there.
That goat is eating a lot. Why are cows fatter than goats then?
What do cows give you?
They give us meat and milk.
Do pandas live on a farm?
No, but I can take you to see one.
Where are we?
This is Panda Park.
How long do pandas live?
They usually live for 30 years.
What do pandas eat?
Leaves and bamboo. This panda is having lunch.
Yuck! This is the worst lunch in the world.
Oh, extra! You're the funniest alien in the world.